Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech Tomorrow. Today we're embarking on a journey into the future of the internet, Web3. So, buckle up and let's dive in. Part 1. What is Web3? Web3, or the decentralized web, is the next generation of the internet. Unlike the current web, Web 2, where a few big companies control most of the data and services, Web3 aims to create a more decentralized and democratic online world. It's like moving from a monarchy to a democracy in the digital world. Part 2. How does Web3 work? Web3 works on the principles of decentralization using blockchain technology. In this new web, you own your data and you decide who can access it. It's all about giving power back to the users. Imagine a world where you're not just a user, but also an owner and contributor. Part 3. Blockchain and cryptocurrencies. At the heart of Web3 is blockchain technology. It's the same technology that powers cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum. But it's not just about digital money. Blockchain allows for decentralized storage of data, making Web3 secure and resistant to censorship. It's like having a public ledger that everyone can see, but no one can tamper with. Part 4. Decentralized applications, dApps. Web3 also introduces us to decentralized applications, or dApps. These are apps that run on a blockchain, meaning they're not controlled by any single entity. From social media platforms to financial services, dApps are set to revolutionize the way we use the internet. Imagine using your favorite apps without worrying about your data being misused. Part 5. Smart contracts. Another key component of Web3 is smart contracts. These are self-executing contracts with the terms of the agreement directly written into code. They automatically execute transactions when certain conditions are met, eliminating the need for a middleman. It's like having a robot lawyer that always follows the rules. Before we wrap up, let's highlight 3 key takeaways from our deep dive into Web3. 1. Decentralization is key. Web3 is all about decentralization. It's about creating an internet where users have control over their data and decisions. 2. Blockchain is the backbone. Blockchain technology is at the heart of Web3. It's what enables the decentralization, security, and transparency of the new web. 3. dApps are the future. Decentralized applications, or dApps, are set to revolutionize the way we interact with the internet. From finance to social media, dApps bring the principles of Web3 to life. Remember these points as you navigate the world of Web3. Understanding Web3 and its impact is crucial in today's digital age. So, that's a deep dive into Web3. It's a vast and exciting field that's changing the world as we know it. Thanks for joining us on this journey into the future of the internet. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Tech Tomorrow for more tech content. See you in the next video.